Hey girl, it's Sonia and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be sharing a Walmart beauty haul. New brands and products to me, hopefully to you guys as well, and also some of my favorites and staples in my makeup collection that I just needed to repurchase, like my favorite foundation, a concealer, and maybe even some eyelashes. So make sure you guys stay tuned throughout the video, get comfortable, get a little snack if you need to, and as always, don't forget to like, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you'd like to see more videos from me. And without further ado, let's get into the video. Okay, I'm gonna start pulling things out of my box. First up are going to be a handful of eyelashes, and I am an eyelash freak. I also hold on to my eyelashes for dear life. I can get maybe 8 to 10 good uses out of each eyelash pair, so it's unnecessary for me to have this many, but I always will do my girlfriend's makeup or my sister's makeup. She has 2 daughters, so I'm constantly sharing eyelashes, and they do somehow run out, or I give them as gifts and things, so I just pick them up when I see them for a good price. These packs of 5 are like the best deal ever because 2 pairs of individual lashes will set you over just one of a 5 pair pack. So it doesn't make sense, but just take advantage of the bundle deals. These are the Kiss So Wispy lashes. They're similar to my favorites from Ardell, which are these ones here. These are the Ardell 113, and they're my favorite eyelashes ever, ever, ever. Sometimes when you pull them off, you accidentally pull the hairs off the lash strip, so you're going to have to do it again, because if you don't, you're gonna have one eyelash that is shorter than the other one. So I always recommend, especially like on a special occasion, get a multi-pack. I recently shared, I believe on my IG stories, a PR package from Ardell, and these are from their Texture Eyes collection. I already used the ones that they sent me, and these are the number 578. These are my favorites from Ardell. Now, I personally do not like eyelash extensions just because maybe the first day or the second day your eyes look really good. For me, I'm allergic to the adhesive. Look like I got stung by a bee. My friends wear eyelash extensions all the time, and I'm telling you, like by the 3rd or 4th day, their eyelashes are already falling out. One eyelash is looking over there, the other one's over here, one's going to the sky. It's like thinking about your bra being glued to your chest. Why? Why would you want to do that? Don't you want to rip it off and throw it behind you? Girl, I love the feeling of removing them at the end of the day. So anyhow, check these out. These are very, very similar to really good eyelash extensions without the commitment and the price. I don't know about you guys, but I'm a wiggle worm. I cannot lay there like this and not try to see what you're doing for 3 hours. Well, I don't know if it was 3 hours, but it felt like it. In the Walmart beauty department where I went to, which is here in Azusa, they have a section that is dedicated to all makeup and beauty supplies. So I popped in there and I saw a couple of products and brands that I've never heard of before. I think the brand is called Baddie, and the style of these are #plastic. They had some other products that really didn't catch my eye or weren't really like my vibe. I just got these and I want to check these out. If you guys have any recommendations for this brand, let me know in the comments down below. I also got a palette, well, 2 palettes from Cobb Cosmetics, and I believe this is Kim Zolciak's cosmetic line with her daughters. And I have on the eyeshadow, which I love. This is the Day and Night eyeshadow palette, and as you can see, these are gorgeous. Look at this swatch. Whoa, okay. I guess maybe it depends on what Walmart you visit, because I've never seen her makeup line in Walmart before in my area. So I'm just guessing maybe your best bet is to order online. And as always, I'll leave a link to everything you see in today's video in order of appearance down in the description box. Here we go. This is, it's actually a powder palette. I'm guessing the yellow ones are like banana powder, and this one, I'm hoping this is translucent and not just white, so I'm guessing that's what that is, which is really cool. I've never seen a translucent powder in a palette before ever, and we have tons of different colors for contour, which is super cool. Yep. I didn't even read, and it says translucent. Okay, maybe I should have read those first, but I finally found the Maybelline New York Sky High Mascara in the color Blackest Black. I did have it in a brown shade, which to me, with my ADHD, it was browner than my skin, okay? I was like, girl, it was too brown. It was really distracting. I'm sure brown is perfect for you, but for me, black hairs with brown eyelashes, it just looked weird. But I was desperate to try it, and that was the only shade that I could find at the time. So when I found it, did a little dance. If you see the Sky High mascara, please get it. It's the best. Now, another product that I had to purchase was this box of 100 nails. These are glue-on nails from Kiss, and if you guys have been following me for some time, you probably have seen hauls or tutorials using these Kiss nails because they were my go-to when I was on such a tight budget. Lord, my wallet was squeaking, okay? These are in the style short square. They do have like longer styles, oval, even short ones if this is too long for you. And they are in like a natural color. I don't know if you guys can see that. It's because you can paint these as well. Now, you definitely don't want to use a ton of acetone, like if you make a mistake on painting and try to change the color. The acetone will actually eat the plastic, so just be aware of that. When you paint it, girl, just soak them in acetone and start again because there's 100 in here. These are the best option to doing your nails at home. I love to do my nails when I'm watching TV at night, just relaxing and chilling. It's very therapeutic for me, and I hope I'm not the only freak on the planet, but I like biting my nails off. This just keeps me safe, okay? Thanks to TikTok, and if you guys are not following me over on TikTok, make sure you guys drop me a follow. My following there is starting to rise thanks to a couple of videos that I posted that went viral, and I was like, ugh. I got 2 of these Milani cream to powder foundations, and I heard so much about them off of TikTok, and these are in the shade 230 and 220. I'm gonna have to keep you guys posted on these because I've never tried them. They're new. I have makeup on right now, so it doesn't make sense for me to swatch it on my face. So I'll have to keep you guys updated with these. Not too long ago, I had posted a video on my new eyebrow routine, which you guys have been really loving lately, which it makes me so happy because I know a lot of you guys did not like my eyebrows before, so I actually use this pencil so much. It's called Precisely My Brow Pencil from Benefit Cosmetics in the shade number 4. And it's my perfect color for my black hair. And even if you had dark brown hair, I would go with number 4 as well, because I think 3 and below is too light. And number 5 is way too dark. It looks scary, like, I don't know. I look aggressive. So number 4 is like the perfect shade ever. And if you guys were looking for a more affordable dupe, I got the L'Oreal Paris pencil. This is the Brow Stylist Definer, and I got ash brown. I think I could have done well with a darker color because as it says ash brown, it's a little bit too light for me, but I could still make this work. But this is the same concept as the pencil from Benefit, except for it's obviously a fraction of the price. It has the retractable pencil tip here, and then on the other side is the spoolie brush. So if you guys have not seen that tutorial, I'll leave the link to my post down in the description below, or you can check out my other videos on my channel. I believe I even posted a full tutorial here on YouTube, so check it out. Along with the eyelashes that I got from Baddie B Lashes, I picked up their lash glue, and this is a dual-ended lash glue. As you can see, on one side it's white and on the other side is black. Now, I've never used an eyelash glue that is this black before, so I'm really interested on how this will work for me. I typically do not like brush on glue or adhesive just because it's too stressful for me. I like to apply it directly to my eyelashes, so I'm just gonna give this a try. I just got it because, again, I'm just nosy as heck. This is the applicator wand, And I don't even like eyeliners with application brushes like this. So I'm not sure if I'm going to, just return this one. I know what I like, and I didn't want to open it right there because they were already watching me like hawks. So one of the associates at Walmart were watching me like a hawk, probably because I had all of this makeup with me, and they're like,
"This is really suspicious."
Relax. Okay, I also got a couple of lip liners, and I'm not sure if I'm going to keep them just because the one that I tried on was way too light. It's the color that I'm wearing right now. What do you guys think? Should I keep this or should I return it? It's a combination of the NYX Lingerie Push-Up. Looks like this. And I believe if you are lighter than I am, which I'm pretty light as it is, this probably would look good on you, but it just washes me out. It looks like I have no lips. It looks like I went over my mouth with my foundation, and this is in the color Corset, so I think that one's gonna have to go back. I also got the lipstick. This is the NYX Suede Matte Lipstick in Dainty Days. Love the packaging, and the lipstick is really pretty as well, but I feel like it might beat too, this might look too gray on my lips as well. So I don't know what their policy is as far as like returning things, but I think those two have to go back. I just think it's too light for me. And I don't want to stress out a lip liner, you know, like I'm really counting on you lip liner to make these two look good on my lips. Like, that's too much work. Okay. Oh, brother. This is the one time that I wish that these pencils came in. Oh my gosh. I wish these pencils came in a box like they do for MAC Cosmetics, because this is a fight. Oh my gosh, and you girls with the long old scary nails, how would you ever open this up? So I got this pencil and it's in taupe. I thought this was a lip liner, but I guess this is a pencil. So I'm gonna do my first little line on the back of my hand. Girl, I'm gonna use that on my lips. I'm sorry, but that looks like a lip liner to me. I also got two suede matte lip liners. One's in London and the other is in Free Spirit. So on the top we have taupe, London, and Free Spirit. Taupe, that's where it's at. Two other products that are not really like beauty related are for my crusty hands and feet. I think it's either like eczema or psoriasis, like right in between is the issues that I'm having with my hands and my feet. Please tell me if you guys know of any other remedies besides these. I'm gonna try these out. Don't know if they're gonna work, but I'm gonna try them because I'm interested. I wear this when I'm gonna wear sandals or something. I'll just put it on the bottom of my feet, and it temporarily like heals or conceals the fact that my feet are crustier than hell. This is the Aveeno Restorative Skin Therapy, and this is for sensitive, distressed, dry skin. It's itch relief balm, instantly soothes and help relieves itch. For the most part, it's more like really sensitive skin, almost like if I got a burn or something. That's how it feels. I don't know if you guys can see that because the camera is, the light in here is pretty bright, but there's peeling the center of my palms. I get a lot of peeling like right in this area. It'll be so tight sometimes that it feels like my skin is going to rip open. So I'm hoping that will work for my skin. Please, Lord. A couple of other products that I had to repurchase was the e.l.f. Camo Concealer, and it looks like this. The one that I purchased is in medium beige, and I think it might be too dark for me. For these, I would find my shade and go one lighter, just because that they dry down darker. So just a little tip. But I'm gonna be going to Mexico. I know, I feel like I keep saying that, but I'm gonna be going to Mexico, and I know I'm gonna get a tan. I hope. I also got another bottle of the Maybelline New York Fit Me foundation, and this is their dewy formula. This is in the shade number 220 Natural Beige. It's my shade. I love the fact that my skin looks very like healthy and it's glowing. It doesn't look oily or greasy. And one of my favorite drugstore primers would have to be the Physicians Formula Butter Believe It Putty. And I know that e.l.f. has 3, like it just depends on your skin type, like oily combination or dry. But this one here is for all skin types and it is the bomb! The scent reminds you of being on the beach. Was it e.l.f.? I think e.l.f. actually came out with a tool, like a dual-ended brush for the primer, the putty primer, and I have not been able to find it, so if you guys find it, you're lucky. But if I can find the link, I'll put it down below. I'm gonna purchase it myself before it gets sold out again. That's it for today's video. Hopefully you guys enjoyed hanging out with me today. But as always, don't forget to like, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you have yet to join my family, and I'll see you guys in the next one.